Hello, welcome to Meridian Audio's factory here in Huntingdon in England. I'm Desmond Ford, Technical Support Engineer for Meridian, and I'm going to show you some aspects of the production of our audio and video equipment. The machine behind me is one of our pick and place machines, which places surface mount devices on our circuit boards. It does this using coordinates sent to the machine through our computer network system, but further enhances these with local optical alignment using a video camera mounted on the nozzle of the device itself. Okay, after the surface mount components are loaded to the board and soldered in place, the next process is to load the conventional leaded components to the board. This is done again with the aid of computers. Here, the whole bench is connected such that the correct components are loaded with the help of a very thin beam of light shone from the apparatus down onto the board to show the operator where to fit the relevant components. Okay, here we can see the flow soldering process, whereby the axial components are soldered to the board. The whole board is heated gradually to a constant temperature as it approaches up this ramp arrangement in front of us. The board then passes slowly over a reservoir of solder. The reservoir is pumped full of solder such that the bottom of the board just kisses the top wave of the solder, and the solder is drawn therefore by capillary action up into exactly where it's required. It sounds like a crude process, but it works incredibly accurately. Here we can see one of the test procedures for our circuit boards. The flying probe machine here allows us to test any component on the top surface of the board. Two fine probes are guided optically to either side of the component, and the measurement is then taken. The measurement is compared to a reference within the machine, and if all things work correctly, we find that the board passes the test after a few minutes. Okay, once the units are fully assembled, they're tested here under computer-controlled conditions, which take them beyond their normal usage and really sets about trying to break the product in any way that a customer possibly could. Here we can see a DVD player undergoing test. As well as sheer performance, we also test all the functionality of the players. This includes newly developed features such as digital video outputs, which are now featured on all Meridian DVD players. Okay, here in our new factory, we're very lucky to have the facility you see here. This is our Emc Measurement Chamber. Here we're able to test products, both comply with the limits on emissions and are resilient to input from outside sources of EMC. The room is designed in such a way to cut down on reflections and to create absorption of specific frequencies, and it's also a sealed Faraday cage, which means that it's completely immune from radiation from the outside world.